Hey guys, Damon here. In today's video, I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 5 ways to profit with lease purchase. So let's get started. In my last video, I shared with you how I made $10,000 on one deal using the lease purchase strategy. In fact, it didn't cost me any money out of my pocket. It was just my time involved in the deal just to complete it. And today I'm going to show you the different ways that you can profit using the lease purchase strategy, and I'm going to show you how easy it can be to use these same strategies on your own deals. The first way to make money on a lease purchase is the option consideration. The option consideration is the money that the tenant buyer puts down to secure their right to purchase the property. It's a non-refundable fee from day one, but it does go toward the purchase price when they buy the home. It's typically anywhere from 2 to 10% of the purchase price. Let's say on a $200,000 home, at 5%, that's $10,000 that the buyer has to put down that goes directly into your pocket. The second way to make money is the monthly cash flow. Let's say, for example, you negotiate a payment with the seller of $1,000 a month, and you turn around and sublease the property to a tenant buyer for $1,500 a month. That's $500 that goes into your pocket every single month. So for 12 months at $500 a month, that's an additional $6,000 that goes into your pocket. And if you do it for 2 or 3 years, that's an additional $6,000 for every single year. The third way to profit is the back-end profit. Let's say, for example, you negotiate a deal with the seller for a purchase price of $100,000, but the value of the home is actually worth $120,000. That's a $20,000 spread. If a tenant buyer puts down $10,000 option consideration, that still leaves $10,000 spread on the table, which you will get when the tenant buyer buys the home, giving you a $10,000 back-end spread. The fourth way to profit is the assignment fee. Let's say you negotiate a deal where there's not a big enough spread on the deal, or maybe you just don't want to stay involved in the deal. You can assign this agreement to another investor, or you can assign it to a tenant buyer, and you're out of the deal. So you make money just by selling the paper. The fifth way to profit is using notes. Let's say, for example, you're asking $10,000 option consideration on the home, but the tenant buyer only has $6,000 to put down today. You can collect the $6,000 and create a note for the remaining $4,000 to be paid over the coming weeks and months until they satisfy the full $10,000 that they owe you. Here's an extra way that you can profit with lease purchase, the seller discount. Let's say that you negotiate a 3-year lease purchase with the seller, and in year 2, the tenant buyer notifies you that they would like to purchase the property. You can contact the seller and ask them if they would discount the property if you would purchase it now versus waiting the full 3 years. If they say no, you haven't lost anything, but if they say yes, let's say they knock $5,000 off the price, you've just got an extra $5,000 once the buyer completes the sale. If you have any questions about lease purchase, feel free to call me. I answer my own phone. My number is 314-764-5656. Or go to my website, damonboudreaux.com, and schedule a free 15-minute consultation and get a free 1-page lease purchase agreement, the same agreement that I use on all my deals. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more real estate investing content to come. See you in the next video.